Hi, this is Miss Mason, and I would like to go over the different parts of the fraction and how to add and subtract fractions with like denominators today. So to get us started, let's talk first and review the fraction parts. I have written in front of us the fraction 1/2, written 1 over 2. The first number, or the top number, which is the digit 1, is the numerator. Below the fraction line is a 2, which is also on the bottom of the fraction and is called the denominator. So the numerator is on the top part of the fraction, the denominator is on the bottom part of the fraction. In Braille, we have it positioned left to right. So in Braille, you have the numeric indicator, followed by the number 1 with the fraction line, dots 3, 4, followed by the number 2. And it's written left to right. So if you're reading Unified English Braille, for example, you're going to read the numerator is going to be the first number immediately following the numeric indicator. The denominator is going to be the number immediately following the fraction line. We have parts of a fraction continued. So sometimes in print we do represent the numerator to the left or in front of the fraction line, and the denominator is to the right, after, or comes last in the fraction. So these are all words that you should tune into and listen to in order to figure out if the fraction parts are the numerator or the denominator. Adding fractions with like denominators. Before us I have an example. It's the fraction 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. When we add or subtract fractions that have the same or like denominators, meaning that the number on the bottom of each fraction is the same number, first of all, the answer will have the same denominator. So great, we don't even have to think about it. In a problem like 1/4 plus 1/4, we know that the denominator in our answer is going to be 4. Once we know that, we add the numerators or subtract them if it's a subtraction problem. I have another example here. It's the problem 1/5 plus 2/5. So in these problems, the denominator is the same. It's the number 5. So we're going to have a denominator of 5 in our answer as well. Once we figure that out, we can just simply add the numerators or the top numbers. So again, our fractions are 1/5 plus 2/5. So we're going to add the 1 and the 2, our numerators, to get 3. That goes in the numerator of our answer, and so our answer to 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 3/5.